10th term in an arithmetic sequence is 16 and the third term is 2. What is the first term in the sequence? So we know that it's arithmetic, and we know that the 10th term is equal to 16 and the third term is 2. What we need to find is the actual first term. So it's arithmetic. We know that T10 is equal to 16. We know that T3 is equal to 2. This equation can find any term in an arithmetic sequence. We just need to substitute A, N, and D into it. Of course, in this situation, we don't know what A and D are. I've put 16 in here because I'm using this bit of information. I'm saying that when N is equal to 10, T of N is equal to 16. So T10 is equal to 16. I still don't know A. I know that N is 10, and I don't know what D is. And I'm calling this equation 1. In the same kind of approach, I'm going to be making use of T3 equaling 2. So instead of putting in Tn, I'm putting in specifically that Tn is equal to 2. And in that situation, I don't know what A is, I don't know what D is, but I do know that N is equal to 3. So I have equation 1 and equation 2. So now what I can say is that 16 equals A plus 10 minus 1 times D, and at the same time 2 equals A plus 3 minus 1 times D. Now obviously the A's and the D's are exactly the same in both of these equations, but they're unknown. I can solve those using my CAS calculator, and the answers, as you can see I've written here, are A equals -2 and D equals 2. Remember that we're after the first term. A, of course, is the first term, so I know that the first term is equal to -2, and of course that gives me an answer of B. The trickier part about this question is solving this, and we use our CAS to do that. So here's my CAS calculator. I'm in the calculator mode, and it's really crucial that you have your calculators. You can't just get away with using your phone or your iPad. You really need the power of a CAS calculator. So our technique, menu, algebra, and solve. And now I'm going to put in the first equation. So 16 equals A plus, open bracket, 10 minus 1. And now I've got to put in a multiplication here. Make sure you put your multiplication symbol in, and we're timesing it by D. Now at this stage, that's just simply equation 1. So I've just put in this part here. Literally, on your CAS calculator, you type in AND, but you just need to put a bit of a space in first. So that's down there. And I literally type in AND. Another space, and I put in the second equation. So it's 2 equals A plus 3 minus 1, and again just move your cursor to the side and go times by D. So at this stage I've entered in both of those equations. We now need to tell the CAS what we want to solve for. So I just put in a comma. I want to solve for the variable A, and I want to solve for the variable D. If I hit enter now, we'll get our results. And as you can see, A equals -2, D equals 2. Of course, those steps are written in green here.